Hello and congratulations on your recent purchase of the new MG5 Exclusive. In this video I will take you through some of the features of your new car and try to proactively answer some questions you may have upon taking delivery of it. First things first, let's see how we can open the boot. You simply navigate through the MG logo on the back, and right below it there is a little button. Just press that and the boot opens. You can take away this compartment by pushing it onwards and then pushing it towards you again. And then there is additional space. There's a little handle right below. There is additional boot space. If you take this compartment upwards, as you can see, more space. Closing the boot, there are two handles, one on the right, one to the left. Just select one and push it down. Now let's see where you can find the cable to charge your MG5. If you come to the front, right in the middle you have the MG badge. Just simply press in, it pops open, and here we have the compartment. Just push it out and here you have your charging port. Moving on, this car has keyless entry, so you can press this little button to lock the car, shown by the mirrors going inside, and then unlock it by again just pressing it, presented by the mirrors going out. Opening the car, on the right hand side of at the driver's door, you've got the electronically adjustable windows, both to the front and to the back. And also we have the central locking, so you can lock your car, you can unlock your car. Moving on to the driver's seat, in order to adjust it, this is electronically adjustable. To move the overall seat forward, move this lever to your right. To push the overall seat backwards, press it to your left. To move this part of the seat, simply use this lever. To make it go downwards, press it to the left. To make it go upwards, press it to the right. Moving on, in order to open the bonnet, right below the steering wheel, there is a little lever here. Just push it towards you. And in order to adjust your mirrors, you simply, there is this little lever here. Press it to, if you want to adjust the right hand side mirror, press it to the right hand side, and then you can go upwards, left, downwards and right. Same principle applies for the left hand side mirror. Push this lever to the left hand side and then left, down, right, upwards, and then just push it into zero when you're done. To start the car up, this is a keyless entry car, and right behind the steering wheel we have the auto start stop button. Simply press your foot on the brake and then just press the button and the car comes alive. Now if we see the steering wheel on the right hand side, we have the buttons to navigate yourself through the driver's screen, and also the voice commands. On the left hand side we have the buttons to work with the infotainment system, and also your volume, so you can increase the volume, decrease it, go to the next track, previous track, and also mute the radio. You can answer and close calls, and also SRC, which gives you the ability to move between AM, FM and DAB radio. To use your windscreen wipers, on the right hand side behind the steering wheel, just press this lever upwards. The higher you press it, the higher the intensity. To indicate that you're going to the right hand side, again behind the steering wheel, move this lever upwards. If you want to indicate that you're moving to the left hand side, move this lever downwards. You have your cruise control lever right behind the steering wheel, down here, so you can set your cruise control, indicated by this turquoise blue, I guess, button. You have your lane keep assist as well up here. To adjust the overall steering wheel, on the left hand side behind the steering wheel there is this little lever. Push it down and then you can play and adjust the steering wheel position to suit your perfect driving position. Moving on into this middle console, first thing we're gonna see is the gear levers, the gear buttons, I guess. This is an automatic and we're currently in park. In order to change it to reverse, neutral or drive, again press your foot to the brake, and then forward drive, slightly move the lever or the circle, the button, to the right hand side. As you can see, I am in drive now. To go into neutral, again slightly move it to the left hand side, and to go into reverse, slightly move it onto the left hand side. As you will see, this car comes with a reversing camera as well. Let's put it into neutral, and in order to put it into park, you simply press down this button, the middle button. So we're now into park. We also have our handbrake, electronic handbrake. So upwards to put it up, downwards to put it down. Here in the middle we have the mode button. So let me show you what this does. Currently, I believe I am in eco mode. There we go. If I press it upwards, it's going to go into normal. If I press it 2 times upwards, it's going into sport. If I press it downwards, it goes into normal, and again eco. Also, next to it we have the curse button. What this does, as you will see down here, we're now using we are 2. If I press it upwards, we're going to be using 3, downwards 2 and 1. This is just the amount of curse that you're enabling at any point in time. If you want more, you just press it upwards, and as you will see, it increases. And then last but not least, this button here, when you press it, it just shows you the range of the vehicle, etc. Moving on, we have the air conditioning climate control. To start, you simply, on the right hand side, you press down on this button, and it will indicate with an orange light coming up. To increase the temperature, you use the circle onto the right hand side. To decrease the temperature, you move the circle to the left hand side. And then with the intensity, you just scroll to the right hand side to increase intensity, scroll to the left hand side to decrease intensity. In the middle we have 2 USB portals along with a 12 volt socket. And now onto the infotainment system. To use your radio is the left hand side option, so just click on that, and then we have the choice of DAB, FM and AM, and then audio. If you click on that, you can play with the audio system of this car to suit your need. To go back into the main navigation, simply press this middle button here. We'll go back. On the right hand side, you can connect your Android Auto and Apple Carplay. To do that, you need to go into setup in the middle, and then Bluetooth, and connect your car with your Bluetooth device. And when that is done, you will be able to click here and use essentially your phone onto this screen. In the middle we have navigation. To select the route, simply click on the bottom right hand side button, then select new route, and then an address, and then just simply put either the town postcode or the street name. We're going to input exactly where we are now at Lasco Motors, and then select go to town. The sat-nav will understand exactly where you're going to go, so just select as destination, it's calculating the route, and then start navigation. And you should be good to go on your way. Moving backwards, again, pressing this button here, you can select the phone application and also car, which when you click into it, you have your MG Pilot, which you can click turn on or off, speed assist system, lane assist system, forward collision mitigation system. You have your comfort and convenience on the left hand side, driving maintenance. Moving on, we have the heated seat option. So we have the passenger seat here and the driver's seat heated option right here. And these are the main features of your brand new MG5 exclusive. If you have any more questions about how to operate your new car, please do not hesitate to give us a call here at Lascoms, as we're always happy to help you. Thank you.